We have here the Samsung silicone cover case. Okay, this is a tiny little case. It's about $30 on the website. I got it shipped on the pre-order with the phone. So we're gonna open this up, see what it looks like, see how much protection it actually provides. Okay, it's got some foam in there, some instructions. So it does say to put in the top first and then slide in the bottom. Okay, I think that's about it. There's one little picture there, and I believe that is all you need. It is a cool case. It's got a nice silicone feel to it, as you would expect by the name. So as the instructions indicate, slide up here and insert like so. And I've actually put it on backwards, as you can see. So let's try that again. Okay, it's a square phone. It's hard to tell which way is up. All right, so slide in here, top in, and bottom in as well. And there you have it. That is the silicone cover case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Again, if you guys didn't catch my first video, check it out. I did a brief rundown of the specs and the features of this phone. If you're interested, go check that video out. I am also going to do a video on the wireless buds. Okay, these were shipped on the pre-order. They were included with the phone. The phone does not come with the headphone jack, so it's nice that they threw these in with the pre-order only. Okay, if you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Lots more reviews on the Note 10 Plus coming out soon. And I would appreciate it if you like, share, comment, all that fun stuff. Engage with the channel. All right, guys? Have a good one.